Welcome to a new episode of our series Pimcore on Steroids, how Data Director enhances the user experience of the Pimcore backend. This time it is about deleting elements. If you ever have made a mistake during an import and have now imported a lot of garbage into your system, then you will have had the problem that the objects have to be deleted again. And this is really a slow process in Pimcore. Let's open this categories folder here, and we currently have 407 categories in our system, which is not pretty much. Imagine we want to delete all those 407 categories. Then we see here at the bottom right, this is a rather slow process. And the reason for that, I can show you in the network panel. The reason for that is that we have for every element which shall be deleted, we have a delete request. This is the delete request, and this is the delete request for this object ID. So for every deleted object, we have this request. And we see here there is another request. This is the request to add the item to the recycle bin. So first it gets added to the recycle bin, and afterwards it gets deleted. And for every deleted object, we have those two requests. So for our 400 objects to be deleted, this will end up in 800 HTTP requests, 814 in this case. So we see those 400 elements, which is a tiny number of objects in the real world, it takes ages. I will fast forward until the end and then we'll show you about the results. Now the process is finished. We do not have any categories left. And in the recycle bin, we have all those objects here inside. Already here we see that it took really long. Now Data Director changes this behavior. It does the same. It adds the deleted element to the recycle bin and it deletes the element, but it does all those steps on the server side in one process. So all the overhead of the HTTP requests goes away. Let's see performance of that. Now I've restored all our categories. So we have our 407 categories again. And let's look at the performance of the deletion when all this deletion and of course also adding to the recycle bin gets done on the server side. You always see it here at the bottom right. This is significantly faster. And of course, the items have also been added to the recycle bin. But here we see that it is quite fast. So the difference in performance is 3.5 minutes with Pimcore default versus 11 seconds with Data Director. And this difference will even increase the more objects you will delete, because for every deleted object in Pimcore default, 2 HTTP requests have to be executed, while with Data Director, for all deleted objects, there is only 1 HTTP request, and all the work is done within this one request on the backend side. There's also almost no risk of timeout on the server side because we are setting it to infinite timeout. So no worries about that. Yeah, so I hope you do not fear anymore to create any dummy data, test data, because this way you can also delete it very fast afterwards if something goes wrong. Yes, I hope you like this feature. Thanks for watching this episode. Hope to see you on the next one. Bye bye.